could seem like a daunting task, I know. And especially for me, what I think about normally is about how many dishes I have to clean up afterwards. If you watch my past videos, you know that simplicity is key for me, and it's what I strive for in my cooking, as well as making food enjoyable to eat. Welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a one-pot vegetarian yellow curry made in 30 minutes. This also includes prepping time. The great part about this recipe is that everything is made in one pot. It's easy and a go-to comfort food. I love making curry because you could throw a lot of different veggies into one pot and the flavor combination complements each other really well. This makes about 8 servings. However, if there's a smaller party or just a party of one, feel free to look at that ingredient list and just cut it in half, and that'll make about 4 servings. I usually like to make a little bit more just because I know I will be meal prepping throughout the week. It's perfect for lunch or dinner, and it lasts about like 3 to 5 days if you put them in a tightly sealed container. If you want to see how I make this one-pot vegetarian curry in 30 minutes, please follow along the video. And as always, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right down below as I do post new videos every single week. Now let's get cooking in the kitchen. curry made in 30 minutes that's all vegetarian and gluten-free. Adding rice or noodles complete this curry dish. It's fully packed with flavor and texture, and it just gets better every single bite and even better the next day. You can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Clarissa's Kitchen. If you liked watching this video, please give this a thumbs up, hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell right down below as I do post videos every single week. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.